Are you tired of sweating and feeling hot this summer? Do you wish you had a device that can cool you down, moisturize your skin, and brighten up your mood? If so, then you need to watch this video until the end, because I'm going to reveal a product that will blow your mind. It's called the Ice Vee, and it's a portable air cooler that can do much more than you think. Hi everyone, welcome to my channel where I review the best gadgets for you. Today I'm going to show you the Ice Vee, a device that can cool, humidify, spray, and light up your room. The Ice Vee is not an air conditioner, but it can lower the temperature around you by using nanospray technology. It has a large water tank that can last for hours, and it has 3 wind speed settings to choose from. It also has a built-in LED nightlight that can create a cozy ambiance for your sleep or relaxation. But the best part about the Ice Vee is that it's so small and light that you can carry it anywhere you want. You can use it in your bedroom, living room, office, or even outdoors. It comes with a USB cable and a lithium battery, so you don't need a plug or worry about radiation. It's also very easy to use and clean, and it has a timing protection function that prevents overhumidification. So, if you want to stay cool and fresh this summer, you should definitely check out the Ice Vee. It's a device that can make your life more comfortable and enjoyable. And if you want to buy one, you can find the link in the description below this video. But act fast, because they might sell out soon. That's it for today's review. I hope you liked it and found it useful. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more gadget reviews. And don't forget to leave a comment below and tell me what you think of the Ice Vee. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.